the Bob Show. We have a special guest. Here he is!
Hi guys, my name is Bobby. You're my new best friend.
Not. Oh really? You're my BF too. You're cute.
Thanks. You too.
Jerk. Well then, at the end of your sentences you mumbled stuff.
Oh really? That's not nice to Bobby. Daddy a police.
Jerk!
Daddy here! Daddy here!